What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Now this video is going to be a motivational video to kick you in your butt and get you going. So let's jump right into it. So what I first want to dive into with this is, if you have not seen it and you've heard about it, or if you haven't heard about it, it's a movie. It's an hour and a half long. It's called The Secret, and I highly recommend watching it. It is a great video to motivate you into changing your life. If you want to change your life, motivate you to do things that you want to do, get what you want to have. And it's all about having the right mindset. A thing a lot of people overlook in life, okay? I put this picture up here to show you, if not now, when. You gotta act on it. You can't keep procrastinating and saying, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next week. Stop being a little sissy and do it. Do it now. Just get it done. That's what it's all about. Having the right mindset, okay? And I'm gonna break down this movie, and I'm going to throw in a couple of my opinions on this, alright? Now, this is the logo of it right here, The Secret. And it's on YouTube for free. And I'll put it in the link description so you can check it out. It's on Netflix for free, and it's on YouTube for free. It's right there, okay? So let's get back to this. The first thing, law of attraction, okay? Consider yourself like a magnet. Whatever you think about, the universe is gonna attract itself to you. You're gonna pull that stuff into you, all right? Thinking about negative thoughts, negative things, having a bad day, constantly in a bummer mood, you're gonna attract what you're feeling, and the universe around you is gonna pull in whatever you're feeling, all right? So try to be in a positive mood. Stay in a positive mood. Think good thoughts. Think good vibes. Try to eat well. Taking care of your body. You are what you eat. Take care of yourself. And everything I'm saying right now, even though this is a trading channel, put that aside. You know, what if you're not into trading? You want to be an entrepreneur. You want to be your own boss. You want a brand new car. You want money. You want the girl, the hot girl that everybody wants. This is more towards you. This is a motivational thing, all right? And that movie breaks it down. The law of attraction. Consider yourself as a magnet. Whatever you think or want, you will attract. Don't think about bad stuff or negative stuff. Focus on you and what you want. Every day, no negative thoughts at all. Whatever you dream about or want, you will get. Negative moods can affect your whole day. Think positive and be in a great mood. Feel good. The more you feel good, you will attract good things. Ask the universe what you want. Believe. Believe in yourself and you will have it. Receive. Feel good, happy. You already have what you want. What that last part is, be thankful for what you have, okay? A lot of people take for granted what they have, like having your own place, having your own car, having a job. Be thankful for that and tell yourself that you're thankful for that every single day. Next, make a list of everything you are grateful for and remind yourself of everything you're grateful for every day, like I just said. Get a small object and carry it with you everywhere you go. And whenever you're down or stressed out, hold it and visualize where you want to be in life and what you want and what you have to do to get there. Think about what you love and love to do, what you want. You are the creator of your universe. So just go out and get yourself a little small object. A rock, a lighter, a pen, something small that you can carry with you at all times. And whenever you get hit with a bad thought, you're having a bad day, something bad happens to you, or whenever you're down in the dumps, just not feeling that great, just simply hold on to that object and think about what you want, what you have, what you're thankful for, to try to bring your mood back up. And doing little small stuff like that will dramatically change the way you're thinking and the way you're having if you're having a bad day, it can change it to a good day. Try to stay positive as much as possible. Don't complain about the bad in others. Instead, say what you admire about them and the good. So a lot of people like talking drama. A lot of people love talking drama. TMZ, TV, it's all reality TV nowadays. All these celebrities have their reality TV and it's all drama to get ratings up. A lot of it's scripted. Why do you waste your time watching that and filling your head with nonsense? And you're filling your head up with make-believe stuff. Think real. Think about you. Don't worry about what other people are doing or saying. Focus on you. The more you focus on yourself, the better you will be. Who cares that that person told that person, to give up and don't do that again? I really don't care. If it doesn't involve me and what I'm doing and where I'm trying to go, who cares? Get yourself away from all that. And I am a big believer in who you surround yourself with. Literally 4 or 5 years ago, I was living in a town filled with druggies, people who had no jobs, crap neighborhood. Everybody was always negative. It was just a nightmare. And I put my foot down. I said, you know what? It's time to change. I moved away from that city. I was living in my mom's basement, working at a minimum wage job, living check to check. I just had enough. I put my foot down. I said, I need a change. I got a new job. I got my own place. I got a great job. I'm focusing on my goals. I left everybody who I was hanging out with in that town. Simply cut them out of my life. Literally. The only people I have in my life right now is my family. A family and a couple friends. That's it. And I went out of my way to surround myself around positive people, successful people, because I want to be successful one day. Me as a person. I got on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I literally swiped everybody out of my friends list. And I started adding successful people, people to look up to. That way I physically see what they're posting every day and what they're doing. A lot of people, a lot of them write inspirational quotes every day, positive thinking. They're not negative. If you surround yourself around those negative people and hang around those negative people, you're not going to go anywhere. They're going to hold you back from doing what you want to do. So I know it's hard. He's been your best friend for 12, 15 years, but if you've been friends that long and you're not happy with your life, you only get one life. As we know, we only get one life. And why throw that down the drain to have a friendship where you're not happy with your life, you're miserable every day, you hate a job you go to every day? You have to cut the friends out. You really do. You have to cut the negative friends out. I can't preach that enough. Moving on. That was just a quick summary of The Secret, and I highly recommend you gotta watch that. It will definitely change your thinking, and sorry about that. It'll definitely change your thinking and the way you view life. The Secret came out in like 2007. 2007, I was just graduating high school. It's been now, what, 10 years? 10 years since, 11 years since it came out, and I just literally watched it. It's just a common thing a lot of older people look and think. It's the little things that people overlook that are really big. That step in a flight of stairs going up that people leap or step right over. Tells you in the movie a lot of famous people have used this idea. And when you actually think about the idea, it is pretty much common sense. These famous people that had this idea had led very successful lives because they focused on their goals. They didn't hang around negative people, get caught up in drama. They focused on their goals themselves, and they went right for the prize. Obsess with what you want or want to do and push yourself. Every day you got to push yourself to do what you got to do. A great thing, just like the little object thing, is every day when you wake up, put something like you want to make a lot of money, let's just say. Print a picture of a bag full of money or a wad of money or $100 bill, put it up on your ceiling or put it right next to your bed. That way every single day you wake up, you visually see that every single day to remind you of what your goals are. What I did is I got an index card. I wrote down every single goal I wanted to accomplish this year. And I put down goals I accomplished the year before. I have it right in my kitchen. Every day I wake up, I go into my kitchen, get something to drink. It's staring me right in my face to remind me what I need to push myself and do. And it works. It really does. And the last thing I wanted to go over was a lot of people are lazy nowadays and just want things handed to them. They feel like they're expected everything that they ask for. And that is just complete BS. It really is. They're given trophies to kids and people who come in last place. That defeats the purpose of pushing yourself and trying to be the best, to be number one. Like where does the value of yourself go when you're competing for something and they're given trophies to the person who did the best, and they're given the exact same trophy to the person who put no effort or little effort into something? You can't do that. That is just going to demolish people's motivations and think that it's okay to be lazy and not push yourself. And it's a great example of everything getting handed to them through their whole life. And then when it comes down to crunch time and it's time to focus on their life and go after what they want, they're going to ask for it. Can I have that high paying job? Well, I got everything else I ever asked for. And just be complainers their whole life. Just complain about everything. You know, just the thought of that, it irritates me. You know, you have to be yourself. You can't rely on others to get you where you want to go. You have to push yourself, do the research yourself, and just go after it. Focus on your goals. Don't get distracted. Don't get caught up in drama. Don't get caught up in drugs. Don't get caught up in just nonsense. Stick to your goals, stay focused, and keep walking. You know, there are going to be people that get in your way. Just simply walk right around them and keep walking. You know you'll do something right when you have a lot of haters. That's when you know you're doing something right. Because when somebody sees somebody else bettering themselves or getting ahead of them, they hate on them and try to pull them back down to their level. Just something to think about. So that's the secret. That's the top secret strategy. Put it into effect and it will work. Consider yourself like a magnet. Start having positive thinking, thinking positive, being in a good mood, taking care of yourself, eating right, pushing yourself every single day, studying, 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 always wanting to be learning and get better each and every single day. You know, that's part of the reason why we're put on this earth, to make the best out of the life that you have. And do you want to make no offense, do you want to make the best out of your life, working and being satisfied? Working, having a family, and being satisfied, and that's it? One of the greatest fears that I have is laying on my deathbed and having a lot of regrets, saying, what if? What if I just went for it? What if I just actually dedicated myself and studied my butt off and actually tried, you know, to do what I wanted to do? I seen a quote, and it was like, it was, a man's greatest burden is unfulfilled. It was unfulfilled something. I can't think of it right now. Pretty much unfulfilled what ifs. Just not going after what you want. And I hope this video touches one person and it just totally changes their life. I will be satisfied. And if you put your mind to it, you can achieve anything. Anything you put your mind to, you can achieve it to a realistic level. You know, if you want to live on Pluto, you know, good luck with that. I will be happy if this touches at least one person. And you know, if not now, when? Alright, that's it for this one, guys. Stay positive, push for those goals, and go after what you want. Later.